Hello everyone, myself Ayush Shrivastava, class 10th. Today I am here to present my art integration project of chemistry on Sikkim. Hope you will like it. Importance of chemistry in our world. Chemistry is important because everything you do is chemistry. Even your body is made of chemicals. Chemical reaction occur when you breathe, eat or just sit there reading. All matter is made up of chemicals, so the importance of chemistry is that it is the study of everything. Minerals. The elements or compounds which occur naturally in the earth's crust are known as minerals. At some places, minerals contain very high percentage of particular metal and the metal can be profitably extracted from it. These minerals are called ores. Along with the beautiful views of Sikkim, there is also the availability of some minerals. These minerals are as follows: copper, graphite, dolomite, talc and coal. Introduction of copper. The elemental symbol is Cu, atomic number is 29, atomic weight is 63.5, chemical series transition metal heat conduction is good, the melting point is 1084.62 degrees Celsius, the boiling point is 2562 degrees Celsius. Properties of copper. Copper is a reddish colored metallic metal. Malleability, the ability to be beaten or rolled into shape. Ductility, the ability to drawn into shape as it manufacture of copper wire. Copper is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Its atomic number is 29. It is easily mixed with other metals to form alloys. High corrosion resistance. Uses of copper: supports healthy cartilage and tendon regeneration, plays a critical role in cellular energy production, helps maintain the integrity of connective tissue in the heart and blood vessels, plays an important role in bone formation, plays an important role in the metabolism of some major neurotransmitters, functions as an antioxidant necessary for normal iron metabolism and red blood cell formation. It is known to play an important role in the development and maintenance of immune system function, increase the body's ability to absorb iron. Graphite. Graphite, archly referred to as a plumbago, is a crystalline form of the element carbon, which its atoms arranged in a hexagonal structure. It occurs naturally in this form and is the most stable form of carbon under standard conditions. Under high pressure and temperature, it converts to diamond. Properties of graphite. There are some unique properties of graphite that make it useful for a number of different applications. It is a lubricant, it is strong, it is really tough to melt, it is good conductor of electricity, it absorbs fast moving neutrons. Uses of graphite. Graphite is used in carbon reforged plastics, out of which many common products are made, like fishing rod, golf clubs, bicycle frames, etc. Graphite is used in pencil and lubricants. Its high conductivity makes it useful in electronic products such as electrodes, batteries and solar panels. It is used as refractory, high resistant. It is used in steel making, it is used in brake linings, it is used in foundry finishing, it is used in zinc carbon batteries, it is used in electric motor brushes. One of the impressive use of graphite is in nuclear reactors. In chemistry, we should know about these two topics. Catalyst. Catalyst is a substance that can be added to a reaction to increase the reaction without getting consumed in the process. Gasification is the process which converts biomass or fossil fuel based carbonic material into carbon monoxide, hydrogen and carbon dioxide.